In this video, we'll solve this problem. We're given a piecewise function f, and we're asked to answer the 4 questions. Starting from A, find the domain of the function. So we can see we have 2 pieces of the domain, and we need to combine those 2 pieces together. That will be the domain for the whole function. Okay, so combining x is less than 1, so 1 is here, with x is greater than or equal to 1, you can see you will get the whole number line, which is all real numbers, right? So the domain of the function is negative infinity to infinity. That's all real numbers. Okay, B, locate any intercepts. Okay, so here I want to sketch the graph of this function to help me understand or to help me answer this question. So first, let me draw a coordinate plane. All right, so I have 2 pieces of domain. One is x is less than 1. So one part of the domain is on the left side, pretty much, and the other is on the right side. Okay. So the part on the left side is negative 2x plus 3. Okay. So negative 2x plus 3 is a line, right? It's y equals negative 2x plus 3, mx plus b. The slope is negative 2, and the y-intercept is 3. So let me graph that part first. The slope is negative 2. Let me mark it. And the y-intercept is 0, 3. Starting from the y-intercept, let's say it's here, and use the slope, which is negative 2. Negative 2 over 1. So go down by 2, to the right by 1. Okay, so connect these 2 points. Okay, I'll stop here. That's the left part of my graph. But remember, this x equal to 1 is not included, so I need to exclude that point from my graph. So I'm excluding x equals 1 for the top part of the graph. Okay, now let's graph the bottom part. Y equals 2x minus 1 when x is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so it's also a line, right? mx plus b with the slope of 2 and the y-intercept of negative 1. So 0, negative 1 is my y-intercept. So I will start from the y-intercept, which is negative 1. So starting from here. Okay, so now use the slope 2, going up by 1, 2, and over 1. Okay, I will end up with the same point here, and I'll connect these 2 points. But I will only use the right part of the graph, right? Right, so this 1, x equals 1 point is actually included as part of the graph. So my graph is kind of like a V-shaped graph. And let me erase this point. So that's my graph. Okay. So locate any x-intercept and y-intercept. It seems like I don't have any x-intercept. I only have one y-intercept, which happens right here. And it's at 0, 3. And the graph the function, I just did it Okay, so graphed it. All right, based on the graph, find the range. The range is all the y value, the collection of all the y values, right? So you can see the smallest y value is the lowest point here, which is 1, right? And we have y values all the way up. So the range is from 1, and where 1 is included, to infinity. And I hope you find this video helpful, and I will see you in the next video.